Good morning, learners. I want to go over multiplying integers together on a number line. These are models of it, okay? The way that you do this is you count the number of bumps and the number of spaces in each bump. So this one would have two bumps. So it's two times something, and it's times because we're getting bigger. And then in each one is one, two. So each one of those has two bumps. So this is two times two. Okay, and notice the bumps are going to the right, which means that they are positive. Okay, so let's go down to this one. Okay, notice one, two, three, four, five bumps, but then each one of these is worth two. So it's five times each space is worth two. Notice we end at 10 because 5 times 2 is 10. Up here we ended at 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, this one, two, three, four bumps, and each bump, notice, goes by fours. So this is four groups of four, and it ends at 16. Okay, this one, two. Notice this time each group is worth 5, and we end at 10 because 2 times 5 is 10. These are the same way. You need to count the number of bumps, which is 5, and the number in each space. So there's not one in each, it goes by sixes. So it's 5 times 6, which equals 30. Finish these out. These are going to be positive. The back side, let's take a look at the difference here. Okay. This one, notice the arrow is still going this way. Okay, and I have one, two, three, four groups, and each one of them is going by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, four groups of 3 is 12. Now, contrast this with over here. The arrows are going to the left, which is negative. So I have one, two, three bumps, and it happens to be going -4 for each bump. So that's times -4. So notice, net positive times a negative gets you a negative solution. Okay. This one is going a positive direction. Bumps are going this way. One, two, three, four, five. Times each one of them is 3. We end up at 15. Okay. This one's a little different because we started at -3 and we went that way 12 units and ended at 9. But it was 1, 2, 3, 4 times +3. Okay, these ones are going to the left. One, two, three, four spaces to the left. Each one of them is worth -4. We move a total of -16 spaces. Okay, these are all going to the left, so they're negative. Let's take a look at this one then. So finish these out right here. And this one, okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. They're going to the left, so these are a -1 times -1. A positive times a negative nets me a -6. So they actually, in this one, eventually they'll want you to pick out the actual solution. That would be 6. 6 times -1. 6 groups of -1. Okay. So this one has one, two, three groups, and in each group is 3, 6, 9. So 3, 3, and 3. So 3 groups of -3 nets me -9. 3 groups, that means 3 times -3. Okay, these are skill numbers 170034, 173001, and 173005. It is multiplying integers model.